This is where rugged capability meets family comfort. Welcome to the birthplace of the Toyota Fortuner. It is one of the most popular seven-seater SUVs in the world, known for its bulletproof reliability.
Today, we are taking you inside the factory to see exactly how this machine is built from scratch.
From raw steel coils to the final quality inspection, this is the full manufacturing process. If you love automotive engineering and mega factories, hit that subscribe button now.
The journey begins here in the stamping shop with massive coils of high-strength steel.
These coils are unrolled, washed, and straightened before entering the press line. A massive 5,000-ton press stamps the flat sheets into complex body panels.
In a single strike, the side profile of the Fortuner is formed with millimeter precision.
Inspectors use tactile gloves to feel for microscopic dents or scratches on the panels. Once approved, the panels are racked and sent to the body shop.
In the body shop, the puzzle pieces come together.
Over 500 robots perform thousands of spot welds to fuse the panels into a rigid shell.
It starts with the floor pan, establishing the foundation of the passenger cabin.
The framing station marries the sides and roof to the floor, creating the vehicle's shape.
Unlike crossovers, the Fortuner uses a body-on-frame design. This heavy-duty ladder frame is built separately.
This steel backbone gives the SUV its off-road durability and towing capacity.
Before painting, the doors, hood, and tailgate are fitted to ensure alignment.
The completed metal shell is known as the body in white.
Laser sensors measure gap tolerances to ensure the geometry is perfect.
Next, the body enters the pristine environment of the paint shop.
It is submerged in an electrocoat bath to prevent rust and corrosion, reaching every crevice. Robotic arms apply sealant to the seams to ensure the cabin is watertight and quiet.
In the spray booth, electrostatic bells apply the primer and base color coat.
The paint particles are electrically charged to attract them to the metal body, minimizing waste. A final clear coat is added to give the SUV its glossy shine and UV protection.
The bodies are baked at 140 degrees Celsius to cure and harden the paint. In the light tunnel, experts check for any dust specks or orange peel texture. While the body dries, the heart of the beast is born in the engine plant.
The engine block is cast from aluminum alloy for a balance of strength and weight.
Technicians install the crankshaft and pistons. The Fortuner typically uses a Torque diesel engine.
The cylinder head is attached, sealing the combustion chambers.
The completed engine is mated to the transmission and transfer case for the 4x4 system.
We move to general assembly. First, the doors are removed to give workers easy access. The wiring harness, the car's nervous system, is threaded through the chassis. The entire dashboard cockpit is pre-assembled and inserted by a robotic arm. Robots apply adhesive to the glass and press the windshield into place with consistent pressure. Sound insulation and the roof liner are installed to ensure a quiet ride.
Now for the marriage. The body is lowered onto the waiting ladder frame chassis.
Heavy-duty bolts secure the two halves together, creating a unified structure.
Underneath, the fuel tank, exhaust system, and drive shafts are connected.
The double wishbone suspension and shock absorbers are fitted to handle rough terrain. Back inside, the 3 rows of seats are installed. The Fortuner's signature folding third row allows for flexible cargo space. The doors, now fully assembled with glass and speakers, rejoin the vehicle.
The front fascia, including the aggressive grille and LED headlights, is snapped into place.
Large alloy wheels are mounted and torqued to spec automatically. The vehicle is brought to life with vital fluids, oil, coolant, and fuel. For the first time, the engine is started. It drives off the assembly line under its own power.
But it's not ready for the customer yet. It must pass rigorous testing.
On the rolling road, the SUV accelerates to highway speeds to check the transmission and brakes.
The shower test blasts the car with high-pressure water to ensure there are no leaks.
Test drivers take it over rough surfaces to listen for any squeaks or rattles.
A final visual inspection ensures the fit and finish meet Toyota's global standards. Chrome badges are applied, signaling the identity of the vehicle.
The finished SUV joins thousands of others in the holding yard.
From here, they are loaded onto ships and trains, destined for over 100 countries. Ultimately, this engineering marvel ends up here, ready for a family adventure.
Whether it's the school run or the Sahara Desert, the Fortuner is built to endure.
The philosophy of Kaizen, continuous improvement, ensures that every vehicle is better than the last.
It is a harmony of robotic precision and human craftsmanship.
From the heavy strikes of the stamping press,
to the fiery sparks of the welding robots.
The precise chemistry of the paint shop.
And the complex choreography of assembly.
This factory never sleeps, producing a new SUV every few minutes. For Hiroshi and his team, quality isn't just a goal, it's a duty, enabling freedom of movement for millions of people around the globe.
sleek, modern, yet unmistakably tough.
The technology housed within these walls is a testament to human ingenuity.
A synchronized dance of man and machine on a massive scale.
We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look inside the Toyota Fortuner factory.
Which part of the assembly process impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And would you trust this SUV for your next adventure?
Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating factories.
Watch the Hilux factory tour next.
Or see how the legendary Land Cruiser is made.